Oh.
In 36 years of beachcombing, Cheryl Crow has never seen one of these.
What is it?
This is called a salp, S-A-L-P.
Even local marine expert Alan Raymer has never seen one.
This was a first stumper for me in many years. I didn't know what it was.
A gelatinous, nearly transparent slab of sea something with what appear to be horns at one end and rows of muscles at the other. A species that shouldn't be able to live in the frigid North Pacific.
We have climate shift going on, and it's just following. This didn't come up on ballast water. It didn't come over on debris of any kind. It's just moving north and inhabiting an area that wasn't habitable for it.
Maybe they're coming in more frequently than he thought. Within just a couple of minutes and a couple hundred yards, we were able to find 2 of them. Commercial crabbers in Westport are finding them in their crab pots. The captain of the crab boat Willapa, which is out at sea right now, sent us a photo of one that came up in his pot. He and other crabbers dislike anything in their pots but crab. So far, it hasn't caused any problems.
It's got a large nodule on its head. It's got 2 feelers.
For now, the salp is just a curiosity that has washed up on our beaches for the first time that anyone can remember. But Fish and Wildlife officials are keeping an eye on the influx and hoping the invasion is a short-lived, one-time event. A full-time stranger to this ecosystem is usually not a good thing. In Westport, Gary Chittum, King 5 News.